In this video, I'm going to show you how you can push your code from Google Antigravity to GitHub. So this is my GitHub account and this is the Antigravity editor. Here I created an application or extension, so I need to commit this code or push this code to GitHub. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to jump to our GitHub and I'm going to create a project from here. So the project name here I put like iSensor. So I'm going to create a project inside this GitHub repository. So what we need to do, we have to click this plus icon and it will be expanded. From here we have to choose the second option, new repository. We just need to click here and very shortly it will open like this type of editor. Now I'm going to copy this exact name from here, or we can type it manually over there. I'm going to type it over here like iSensor. So once I type this thing, then we can go to the next step. Here one thing is important, this name should be unique under your account name. My account name is few steps and here this is the project or repository I'm going to create, iSensor. And then there is a description field. This is optional, you can put it or not. I can put it like this way. I already have a description over there, so I'm going to copy that thing. So here is the description of this project. Basically I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it over here. Now the next part is configuration. This part is very important. Here we need to mention the visibility, whether my code will be accessible by everybody or not. So there are a couple of options are there. If we click here, we'll see public and private. Public means anybody can check my code or they can do modifications, something like that, whatever they want. And private means only I am able to access, and if I give somebody, some permission to somebody, then they can only access. So for this project I am going to make it private because I am not going to show my code to other people. So I am going to choose private, but if you want to share your code with other people, you can also do public. And there is another way, like secure way to share your code with other people. Like you are working with in a team where there are 5 members, so at that time you can make it private and you can share privately like that. So anyway, so there are other options are there. I'm not going to do this thing like add readme, git ignore, or add license, this type of thing I'm not going to add. So here I already have a like readme thing is there, so I'm not going to add that thing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this button to create this repository. Once I click here, the repository will be created. Basically I just clicked over there and here it is showing that the repository has been created. And here we will see the link github.com few steps / iSensor, and then there are a couple of information there. Now what we need to do, we need to push my code to GitHub. So let's see how we can do this thing. So there are a couple of commands are there, so I'm going to add all this command on by on. So here it is showing create a new repository on the command line or push an existing repository from the command line, like that. Okay, so I'm going to do one thing, I'm going to type all commands one by one like this command. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump the anti-gravity, and here we just need to open the terminal panel. So if we don't see the terminal panel like this, so what you need to do, you just need to click here and it will be coming over there. Now here I just need to type those command like git init first command. So I'm going to type it over here like git init, and here it is showing like this. Now the next command, I need to type this thing. This thing I don't need because I already added this thing. So I need to add all the files because this is the first commit, right? So I'm going to type the command git add, then a dot means it will commit everything. It will add everything in the git history. I'm going to hit the return key of my keyboard, and here it is showing git add is there. Now the next command is to commit it with this message. So I'm going to type the command git commit -m for message, and I'm going to add like first commit, and then I'm going to hit the return key of my keyboard, and here it will be committed. Now once it is done, now we just need to add the branch. So here I'm going to copy this command like git branch -m main. So I'm going to name it the main branch. You can type it like master also if you wish, but main is fine for me. And then I'm going to hit the return key. and very shortly you will see like this. Now what we need to do, we need to push this code. So basically before pushing, we just need to add this command like git remote add this thing. So we're like adding the origin. So I'm going to jump the terminal again and going to paste that command, and then I'm going to hit the return key of my keyboard, and it will be looking like this. Now the last command, which is called git push -u origin main, I'm going to copy it, or you can type it over here like this way, git push origin main. So this is the origin and this is the main, right? So then after that, just hit return key, and very shortly you'll see it is asking the password. So I'm going to type the password for my GitHub account. Once I type the password, then I have to press the allow button so that it will start committing, and very shortly you'll see this type of message that it is finished like committing. And if you type the command git status, then here it is showing nothing to commit. That means everything is saved over there or committed over there. Now let's jump to our GitHub account, and right now it is looking like this and there is no code. What we need to do, we need to just click the refresh icon one more time. Once I click the refresh icon, then you will see all the code will be here. So here I see all the codes are there now. Now here this is the readme file, here it is coming everything, and also all the project files and folders are there. And that's it. In this way we can easily commit our code or push our project from Google Antigravity, so from here to GitHub.